Hi, this is David and Kelly, and welcome to our home. So Kelly, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, well it's that time again. It's time for the big question.
The big question.
Okay, so today we have people writing us in that are renting a home, and they would like to know what are some of the benefits for owning a home?
Yeah, there's a lot of great benefits for owning a home. I think first and foremost, it's yours. If you're renting, you're, for lack of a better words, paying someone else's mortgage. So if you're purchasing something, that means you're investing in yourself. You're investing in your lives. There's also other investment benefits as well. I mean, usually people have a mortgage, they pay their mortgage. With every mortgage payment they pay, they're increasing their equity, the amount of money that they have saved up in their home. And then over time, if the market continues to increase, then that means that your house could be worth more than what you actually paid for it. So there's more, wealth building investment in there. Also, there could be some tax advantages too. I would say contact your tax professional, but usually some or all of your property taxes and some or all of your interest, mortgage insurance could be a tax benefit for you too. So it could benefit you in a lot of different ways.
Well, that's a lot of really good information, and what a great question.
Yeah.
So if you have a topic for our video series, feel free to leave us a comment down below. We would love to hear your feedback.
Yeah.
Well, thank you for joining us today, and stay tuned for the next big question.